seas this morning, not like last week.
Rose and Max waiting on me.
I don't know what our holdup is here.
Max and Rose's. And we got 6 ships in here today. Mary, where are you?
Miss you.
I do too. Anyway, where are we at, guys?
Nassau.
With 6 of our closest shippy friends.
That's it.
So, all right. Oh, by the way, we're not on the same ship. And tomorrow, Sea Day. Next day, we'll be back.
Cay.
Coco Cay. Same time.
Same port.
Same back channel. I lied. That's not the one we're going to be on. We're going to be on the Seashore, which is a sister ship to it.
Model T's.
We're back in the old days. Sitting here at Sharkies having a whiskey. I got the conch chowder here at Sharkies. Yum yum. Here I am with Alzador. She's our new favorite waitress at Sharkies because what's her name left?
Alzador.
No, you're Alzador. Who left? What was that other girl's name I showed you? See, she don't want to say it. Oh, there must be some bad blood there. But anyway, when you come to Sharkies, look up Alzador. You can't miss her. But look at this picture.
Thank you, guys.
You can miss her. You'll be fine. Don't leave me hanging. All right, babe, we're trying to make our way back to the ship.
I'm going to try to get them there
Not
safely,
good.
almost.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Harry, I'm taking care of this. I got this all taken care of.
The problem is she's not on the same ship as we are.
I got this,
I mean,
Harry.
wait a minute, I am,
I got
not
this.
we.
I got
So,
this.
all right, I'll let you know when I'm back on the ship
I got this.
safely.
Maybe.
Maybe. Bye, I love you.
Love
I miss
you.
you.
Love you and miss you.
We do miss you. Oh, God. What the heck's wrong with this picture? Or video, whatever you want to call it. Huh. All right, so there's our monstrosity. What a beautiful ship, I have to admit. Max and Rose's canoe. Here I am in my room, back on board, safe and sound. Look at this little guy. He is little. It's like a little mouse. I don't know what he is, but anyway, I'm gonna go sit on my balcony and enjoy the rest of the day. A couple of dorks on that ship that haven't left yet either. We were supposed to leave about an hour ago. 2 Disney ships, the MSC, the NCL, all of those left. Nassau at night. We got the Wonder and the Wish. Max and Rose are at dinner, still sitting at the dock. potato, French onion soup. Entree is a jerk pork chop. Looks good. We'll see how it tastes. All right, and my dessert, pineapple sunshine cake. Looks yummy. Would you stay in that room? Just asking. Good evening. I mean, morning. 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm up by myself. Anyway, so great day in the casino. I played for 6 hours on the same $100. Got up to about $350. Put it all back. Usual. Anyway, so it's about time to go to bed. Nighty night. I will see y'all tomorrow, closing it out with a chocolate martini. Missing my love, but she'll be back on the next one in a couple of weeks. We'll be doing MSC. We're gonna try it, and we drink these because they're good. I think Carnival makes them a little better though. All right, so anyway, see you tomorrow. Tomorrow's Sea Day as we put back to Coco Key, whatever. And then back home on Friday morning. So, see you in the morning at breakfast. Toodaloo. I said toodaloo.